Hey everybody, how you doing today? One of the first upgrades that people usually make to the Rustler is a bumper, because that's really not a bumper. Let's get real, okay? A lot of people don't like the RPM bumper because it's really wide, it's plastic. It doesn't really look that good. It really just detracts from the look of the car. And I really like the RPM bumper as far as its functionality, but as far as looks, it's horrid. So today I have a T-bone racing bumper to go on this Rustler. Let's check it out. This is part number 621881. Comes with all the hardware, the screws, the bumper, and I'm going to show you how to install it today. The cool thing about this bumper is it's really rugged looking. And I really think it's going to look a lot better than the stock bumper, and it's going to cover a lot more area. Like I said, it comes with the screws. Alright, first thing you're going to want to do is take these two screws out, take this little thing they call a bumper off. Alright, now that's gone. Let's put this baby on here. I'm really thinking this is going to make this thing look really good. Mean look that adds to the stance of it. So, okay. This right here, instead of having two screws, this has 4 screws. This screw in right here. Alright, now the first one, don't tighten down too much because you may need to adjust a little bit. I'll put a link in the description below if you're interested in this bumper. Alright, that's pretty easy. Look at that. I think it looks really good. I think it looks better than RPM. It flows a little bit better. What do you guys think about it? You like it? Let me know in the description below, or the comments below, not the description, if you guys like this better than RPM or you prefer the RPM. Thanks for watching this video. You guys have a great day.